guys, welcome to Scandinavian Peninsula. I am here in Norway, one of the Nordic countries. There are 5 Nordic countries, Norway, Sweden, Iceland, Finland and Denmark. And I have embarked on this journey. I am super excited for it. Norway, literal meaning of it is, its literal meaning is the northern way. So I have come here. I am really excited and I am really happy to embark on this journey, and I am so happy to be able to write a new chapter in my life journey. So guys, keep watching. We will meet again in the next one. Well, I can't miss. I am here with my travel partner, my dearest
And me.
sister. Yeah. So after almost 19 hours of journey since we boarded the plane from Mumbai, we are finally in Tromsø, and it is dream come true for me. So happy, so excited, super excited guys. Bye.
Bye. Tromsø, a city in northern Norway, is a major cultural hub above the Arctic Circle, famous for viewing colorful northern lights. Norway's capital is Oslo. It is the largest city of Norway. Its currency is Norwegian krone, and Norway is officially known as the Kingdom of Norway. Official languages used are Norwegian and Sami. The government system is unitary parliamentary constitutional monarchy. This is the land of very famous English writer Henrik Ibsen, who wrote about his country and its ruminative people that the climate forces them to become introspective and serious. At home, every other person is a philosopher. Talking about physical features of Norway, we find Barents Sea to the north, the Norwegian Sea and the North Sea to the west of Norway, and Skager Strait to the south. Norway has land borders only to the east with Sweden, Finland, and Russia. Whether cruising along Norway's coast or exploring its wilderness, the country offers terrific chances to witness northern lights. One can definitely enjoy adventures like dog sledging, cross-country skiing, kayaking, and mountain biking while chasing the magical aurora borealis in this stunning Scandinavian landscape.
So Tromsø is 350 kilometers from the north of Arctic Circle, and here you can see in my background there is Midland, and this is our hotel Moxie, where we will be staying for next 4 days. So that's all. See you. Bye bye.
And how were we welcomed?
And we were welcomed by snowflakes. It just stopped 2 minutes back only. Just 2 minutes back it stopped. Otherwise it was wonderful, and we were welcomed by the snowflakes. It was really not expected because the weather forecasted was that it will be windy. It is a little windy, but snowfall was there. So wonderful only. सो एक और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल बात बताना चाहती हूँ, आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. मुझे यहाँ होटल में पहुँच के बस एक आधी घंटा ही हुआ है, बट इट इज़ 4 o'clock नाउ, और अभी आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि ऑलमोस्ट शाम का समय यहाँ पर हो गया है, ऑलमोस्ट अंधेरा हो गया है. सो इट्स इवनिंग टाइम नाउ. इट इज़ जस्ट 4 o'clock ओनली, बट इट्स इवनिंग टाइम. Wind is blowing, beautiful atmosphere is there, it's exceptionally beautiful. So this is our first day in Tromsø. We had some time. This is 5:37. Instead of sitting in the room, we thought that we should come out and wander. It's really very beautiful. See the snow covered land. मानो सब तरफ एकदम सफ़ेद चद्दर बिछी हुई है. सो गाइस, अब हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि हम लोग यहाँ पर एक डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर में आए हैं. बहुत सारा डेली में लगने वाला जो सामान है वो यहाँ पर हमें दिख रहा है, बट सब कुछ ऑसम बातें जो है ये यहाँ का जो वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स काउंटर है, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा ये मुझे. इट हैज़ वंडरफुल फ्रूट्स, वेरी फ्रेश दे आर, and especially something that I will like to share here. Look at the size of the lemon. Oh my god, it is as good as an orange only. और फिर उसके बाद में ये मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. देखिए, एक इतना बड़ा ये जो मशरूम है, इतनी बड़ी साइज़ है इसकी.
इतने बड़े बड़े ऐसे मशरूम हैं। अपने इधर के प्याज भी थोड़े से छोटे पड़ जाएंगे इनके सामने साइज़ में, लेकिन ऐसी ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही फ्रेश ऐसी सब सब्जियां हैं। डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर है। ये परई नाम का कुछ यहाँ पर वेजिटेबल दिखाई दे रहा है। एस्पैरागस है एंड देन डिफरेंट वेजिटेबल्स अगेन। स्पेशली ये रेड पोटैटोज़ भी मुझे बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग लगे। दे आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। सो गाइज दिस इज़ हाउ, काफ़ी बड़ा है। इसके अभी एक ही सेक्शन में मैं हूँ। ये देखिए कितने अलग अलग वैरायटी के प्याज है यहाँ पर, अलग अलग कलर, अलग अलग साइजेस, इवन शेप्स भी कहेंगे हम लोग। मुझे तो ये सब कुछ सच में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है। दिस वेजिटेबल इज अगेन समवट डिफरेंट, आई हैड नॉट सीन इट अर्लियर। कैलरेट इज इट्स नेम एंड देन वी हैव celery rot, something different. I have seen this for the first time. So this again is one section of another store where we have come. Here you will find so many books, bookshelves are there, and how beautifully, see the baby reading there.